Welcome to 312 Brook Hollow Drive. This inviting 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home with a fenced backyard and updates inside is located in the Brookfield subdivision in Northeast Columbia, convenient to I-77 and I-26, Northeast Columbia amenities, Fort Jackson, and a nice commute to downtown Columbia as well. So we're out front. You can see you have a nice sized lot out front. You have some trees. There's a driveway on the right side coming off the street that has sort of a widened parking pad, so you have plenty of driveway space to the right side of the home. You see there's a side door off the home as well. And a nice tree here as we approach the front entry. So you have a few steps up here to the front door. And we'll take a look inside. So once you get inside, you come into the living room. Off the entry here, you can see you have nice luxury vinyl plank or kind of a limited product hardwood flooring throughout a lot of the downstairs space. So you have a fireplace there as well, wood burning, and a couple of windows out towards the front. You can see off the front door, you saw the stairs going up to the second level where some bedrooms are as well. But straight through, you have your dining room. Here towards the back of the home, you have chair rail molding in here, and French doors that lead you out to the backyard space. So off the back of the house, you have a nice patio, nice large patio, and also, as you can see, a fenced backyard with some wood privacy fencing. There's actually a picket on that side, but you also do have an external storage room here with some space in there, in addition to the storage shed, as you can see in the back corner of the yard. So we'll come back inside. And then back inside, you can see the kitchen off of the dining room. So you have tile flooring in here, tile backsplash as well, and white cabinets. And you can see you have included stainless steel smooth top range. There is a refrigerator on this side as well. And then you also have a pantry to the right of the fridge, which is a nice size. Laundry area, laundry closet here, full size, side by side, washer dryer connections, and then just an eat-in dining area here also, as you can see at the back of the kitchen. Then you have a side door that also lets you back out to your driveway space off the right side of the home as you come in. So going back through the kitchen, you have 2 bedrooms on the main level, the hall off of main living area. So you have a closet here, nice size. So you have a hanging rack, but also just some nice deep space under the stairs, some additional storage. And then you have your primary bedroom downstairs, as you can see. You have a walk-in closet in here. This bedroom faces the front of the home. So a nice size walk-in. And right next door, of course, you have your private bath, tile flooring in here, double sinks, and you have a garden tub and shower. And then your commode is tucked back behind a part wall. And then opposite, you have your second full bathroom, nicely updated tile flooring in here. And then an additional bedroom on the main level as well. This one faces the backyard. You can see the closet there. And then up the stairs off of the entry as we came in, you have access to the additional 2 bedrooms and 3rd full bathroom. So that's just a utility closet on that side. But here's one of the 2 bedrooms off the hall here. You can see this is, I believe, the larger of the 2, or the one that at least has 2 closets. And nice sort of dormer window out towards the front. But you can see it's a nice sized room. And then you have a 3rd full bathroom, nicely updated vanity and flooring in there, an oval mirror and some nice lighting. And then linen closet off the hall. And last but not least, the final bedroom of the 4 in the home. And these 2 bedrooms sort of kind of are on either side of the house. So this one has a window out to the side. The other one, I believe, had a window out towards the front. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address 312 Brook Hollow Drive. You can find out more information online at sc.purepm.co.